In the early 20th century, U.S. gunmakers introduced a groundbreaking innovation, the radioactive rifle sight. By adding radium to rifle sights, they promised soldiers the advantage of night vision on the battlefield. However, this technological leap came with a deadly cost. Soldiers, in an effort to sharpen the radium-painted crosshairs, would lick their brushes, unknowingly ingesting lethal doses of radiation. This practice led to devastating health consequences, with hundreds suffering from jaw rot and cancer. What was once hailed as a high-tech upgrade quickly turned into a silent killer, leaving a tragic legacy in its wake.